blinds open right there. Yeah, right there. That keeps kind of doing whatever. He said that she did have a handgun and pointed it at him. It's supposed to be kind of chronic PTSD and some issues like that. So was it just a handgun, Cam?
That's all I saw.
Okay.
I don't know what else he's got in there.
Not yet. Alright. Hold here. In case she comes out that way, I'm going to try and knock and make contact right here. Hey, Crystal, Huntsville Police, can we talk to you real quick?
Hey, just your hands up in there.
I don't got no weapon.
Alright, step out.
Why you put your weapon in?
Hey, get your hands up. Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
Shoot my fucking ass.
Hands up! Show us your other hand!
Get your fucking
111 shots fired, officer involved.
Charlie 111,
1058 code 3. Alright, pull her out. We're gonna move up. Do not reach for the gun or I'll shoot you again.
Where's it?
3224 Westheimer Drive. Hold cover on her. Bring your hands back. Bring your hands back. Hands back. Hands back. Have somebody bring a med kit.
You put this 10-3.
Not yet. Hold here. That way, I'm gonna try and knock him.
Alright.
Hey, Crystal, Huntsville Police, can we talk to you real quick?
Hey, let me see your hands. Get your hands up in the air.
I don't got no weapon.
Alright, step out for
Why
me.
you putting your weapon in me?
Hey, get your hands up. Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
Shoot my fucking
Get your hands up.
Show us your other hand!
Get your hands up.
111 shots fired, officer involved. Charlie 111, 245, 158.
Keep your hands where I can see them.
58, code 3.
Alright, pull her out. We're gonna move up.
Do not reach for the gun or I'll shoot you again. Where's it? 3224 Westheimer Drive.
Hold cover on. Alright.
Bring your hands back. Bring your hands back. Hands back. Hands back. Have somebody bring that kid.
Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
Shoot my fucking ass.
Hands up! Show us your other hand!
Get your hands up.
Shoot my fucking ass.
Get your hands up.
Show us your other hand!
Get your hands.